Welcome to AGS. We're so excited to have everybody here today looking at an incredible compensation plan. We won't be long. You're going to probably want to take copious notes. But I will tell you this, that after 25 years of being in this industry, the compensation plan is second to none. Although we hear that a lot, I want you to really be able to understand, in fact, we are totally transparent. We pay out over 100% in retail commissions, up to 100% in commission value, and a 10-level unilevel payout. And of course, we have lifestyle bonus. So we're going to kind of go through that really quick today. And so again, my name's Kevin Gantos, President CEO of Ascend Global Services. Excited to share this information today. So of course, we'll start with the first slide. Is obviously the product mix that we have, which is incredible, nutritional, whether it's credit restoration or travel. Again, you pick the vertical, whatever it is you want, and it's going to lead you into a path of making some great income. So we're going to go to the next slide. And that next slide, of course, is the example of our 500 milligram product. Now, here's why this is relevant. This product typically goes for about $100 retail in its space. And we make sure that we're competitive at $89, which is retail to you. So if you buy from maybe my website, your website, if you're a distributor, the reality is you can get it at a great price of $89. But here's where it gets better. If you're actually a representative, you have the ability to buy it wholesale. So a $100 normal retail bottle allows you to get it at $59. But here's the part that's key. If I'm a friend of yours and I come onto your website, you have the ability to actually get paid the 100% difference between $59 and $89, which is $30 in commission paid out to you. You heard me right. 100% is paid out to you. So you can literally have a turnkey online CBD business in this example and receive 100% retail commissions. The other part that's powerful is the fact that your distributorship is included in your auto ship, meaning your full online business is included in that. And every month you will receive, when you pay your $59.95 plus shipping, you will receive your 500 milligram of our full spectrum product, which is actually endorsed by Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks of the Shark Tank, as seen on TV. So this is very, very key. It allows you to be in a very lucrative position. So we're going to move on to the next slide and show you that you also have the ability not only to tell family and friends about a product that's at an incredible price, second to none, but you can actually build a team if you choose to. So we're going to go right into that. So the next slide, of course, is showing you an example of our 10-level unilevel payout, which in fact simply means this. On level 1, when you see this on the slide, it simply means that if you enrolled me, I would be on your first level. If I enrolled Susie, she would be on your second level. If I enrolled John, he would be on your third level. So if you did this one getting one, you would get paid through 10 people. You might know me, but you don't know the other 9. And you can get paid up to $60 in commission value, which is $6 for every bottle that's bought month after month after month after month. And as you can see on the far right, there are what we call PIN level requirements. IBO stands for Independent Business Owner, TL stands for Team Leader, ETL stands for Executive Team Leader, RD for Regional Director, ND for National Director, BE for Bronze Ambassador, GA for Gold Ambassador, and PD for Presidential Diamond. So we're going to move real quickly through this so you can see how this actually unfolds. So the next slide is going to show the example of basically enrolling 2 people. So let's say you enroll me, I fall on level 1, and you enroll Connie, and she's also on your level 1. We are what you would call IBOs, or independent business owners. Why is this relevant? As you saw in the prior slide, there were 10 levels. You're now getting paid through all 4 levels of the compensation plan, up to $30 per enrollment. So when I came on board for $59.95, because I selected an auto ship, and every month I'm going to receive my $90 bottle included, right? Month after month, you're going to receive up to $30 per enrollment, which is what I would be and Connie would be. That means you made $60 because 2 people came on board to your team because we wanted to buy wholesale, but up to $5 infinity bonuses. Well, what's an infinity bonus? Infinity bonus simply means that, would you agree that I know people you don't know? The answer to that is obviously yes. And as I enroll people into my team, you can earn up to $5 of that. But you're going to see this goes up and up and up. So we're going to go to the next slide. And of course, when I enroll 2 people, and Connie enrolls 2 people. Now we are team leaders, which promotes you to an executive team leader, and now you're getting paid through 5 levels and up to $35 per enrollment. But here's the part that's important. Would you agree again, the 2 people that I enrolled and Connie enrolled, you don't know, but you're getting paid $10, up to $10 in affinity bonuses on people you don't know. So we're going to go to the next slide. The next slide will show you the next pin level called Regional Director. Well, at this point, all we did is Connie and I became the position you were, and in doing so, you get promoted automatically. Did you enroll any more people? No, you didn't. But in fact, now you get paid through 6 levels, up to $40 per enrollment. So let's say you enroll your 3rd person. You can enroll as many people as you want. You get $40, $40, $40. Remember, they're only paying, in this case, $59.95 plus shipping. They're getting a $90 bottle shipped out to them every month when they pay that. And of course, they have an online business. But here's the magnitude of this. Now you get up to $15 in affinity bonuses on people you definitely don't know. Again, you might know Connie, you might know me, but you don't know who we enrolled, and we don't even know the people that they enrolled, and yet everybody's benefiting from the compensation plan. Which leads us to the next position, next slide, and that is National Director. Now this is a major building block. Your goal should be in your first 90 days is to help 2 people getting started, work with your support team within the company, and we're going to help you build an organization. This shows a group of 30 people in your team. Now, you're getting paid through 7 levels of the 7-level unit level, up to $45 per enrollment, but now you're getting $20 in affinity bonuses on people you don't even know. But this slide is huge because attached to the slide, of course, the ability to get paid not only through 7 levels, but now you participate in our marketing campaigns, whether that's involving Kevin Harrington, is the CEO of As Seen on TV, one of the original sharks of the Shark Tank, as I alluded to earlier. But in this case, now you get put on the map. So you can see on the next slide, what we're talking about here is as you build your organization, 2 getting 2, getting 2, getting 2, you will see how the money unfolds. So on level 1, think about it, you enrolled me, you enrolled Connie. In this example, that's $12. But on level 2, I enrolled 2 people that you don't know. Connie enrolled 2 people she doesn't know. And now you're getting $24 plus the 12 is $36. And here's the part. It's not the $24. It's the fact that every month you receive this month after month. And as you see this unfold through 7 levels, at this point you're in a position to receive thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. But remember, you only enrolled 2 people, maintain your auto ship, and only had 1 person a month buying a bottle from you, whoever that is, on a retail or regular basis. So we're going to move on to the next slide to show you the campaign we're talking about. Become a national director to participate, and you get on the map. Why is that relevant? Through this campaign, we have the ability, again, that Kevin Harrington and his team is actually going to do 300 commercial spots in 10 major cities on 10 major TV stations. And if you're a national director, your face gets added to the map. So if I'm someone that just saw the commercial from Kevin Harrington say, become an affiliate today, someone you don't even know would click your link, join in your business, and now you get paid from someone you don't even know somewhere else in the country. There's no company that I know of in the history of network marketing at no extra cost to you that is allowing you to participate in a nationwide campaign where you can actually benefit from the efforts of other people. Let's move on to the next slide. I'm excited about these next slides. These next slides, now remember, you enroll 2 people, but let's say you enroll your 3rd person, and that person is Roger, and we all go national director like you did. Congratulations, you're a bronze ambassador. Look at that, you're getting paid through 8 levels, up to $50 per enrollment, up to $25 in infinity bonuses on people you don't know, but an extra $250 a month, whether you want to put that towards your car, whatever it is. We don't want to dictate where you get your lifestyle bonus from. Some companies restrict you that you have to get a car. If you want to spend it on a car, you can do it. If you don't want to, no problem at all. Which moves you on to the next position of Silver Ambassador. So again, once you've helped your 3 people achieve the position of Bronze Ambassador, congratulations, you're getting paid through 8 levels, up to $55 per enrollment, up to $30 in infinity bonuses on people you don't know, and now you get a piece of the action by being awarded 50 stock options. Of course, this is very simple as we move on. If you help your 3 people go Silver Ambassador, we'll go on to the next slide. You, in fact, become a Gold Ambassador. Instead of $750 a month in lifestyle bonuses, you're getting $1,500 paid through 9 levels of the 10-level unilevel. Just think about that for a second. Up to $60 per enrollment, up to $35 in infinity bonuses on people you don't know, and now you're up to $150 in stock options. Again, so we move to the next slide, and once we move to the next slide, we go to Platinum Ambassador. And as we look at a Platinum Ambassador, instead of $1,500 a month, now you're getting $3,000 a month in lifestyle bonuses on top of 3,000 auto ships. Just do the math on that. Do it times $6. You get paid through 9 levels, up to $65 per enrollment, up to $40 on people that you don't even know that are coming into your team. So if 100 people came in your team, 1,000 people came into your team, that's another revenue stream. But again, a bigger piece of the action, up to $300 in stock options. So now when your 3 teammates, again, go to Platinum Ambassador like you just did, now you get promoted to the top pin level. And we'll go to the next slide, and that is Presidential Diamond. I'm telling you, this is the pin level. This is probably one of the most lucrative positions in the industry, up to $10,000 in lifestyle bonuses. You get paid through all 10 levels. You heard me right. That's up to 100% of the commission value, which means you capture it all. Up to $70 per enrollment, up to $45. Think about it. You've got 9,000 people in your team at this point. Can we agree that out of 10,000, maybe 1,000 come on board at $45, you can earn up to infinity bonuses plus up to $500 in stock options. So I know we've covered a lot of information in a short period of time, but we want you to understand that whatever that number is for you, might be looking for $250, $500, $5,000, $50,000. It's all available in this compensation plan, providing you do the work and maintain the qualifications. And of course, we move on to the next slide in the compensation plan. And now look at this. This is what happened because you enrolled 1 extra person, 3 getting 3. You can see on level 1 is 3 people like we talked about, is $18. On level 2 is 9 people. That now leads you to 54 plus the 18. But look what happens. Remember, you're a Presidential Diamond. You're getting paid through all 10 levels, and just 3 people enrolling 3 people. And we know there's no such thing as a perfect world, but for this example, you're at $354,000 just on level 10, plus the $118 on level 9 and level 8. Here's what I know. When I saw this for the first time, the numbers were astronomical. I didn't even know I could comprehend it, but here's the reality. What if you missed this by 90% and only 10% of it worked? What would that do to your life and your lifestyle? Well, these next slides that I'm showing you, the next 2 slides you're going to see, the next one, of course, is just showing the fact that we're not limited to enrolling 3 people like some companies. They have what they call a force matrix, 3 by 7, and you're limited. And the computer puts the people down there. You have the ability and our opportunity to be able to sponsor place, providing you personally recruited them anywhere within your organization. So again, on level 1, now you see 4 people. Take that down through a level 10. And now, of course, IBOs just exponential. That's over 1 million people. Is there such a thing? We know people in this industry that have built that exactly. And in most of them, they're excited because they're getting 65 cents per representative. Here you're at $6 based on this example. Astronomical. Again, comprehend the fact that if you missed it by 90% and only got it 10% right, is a lifestyle change. And the last slide, of course, I came from a prior company many years ago where everything was built on 5 getting 5, so we're using this example. Didn't earn anywhere close to this, but because of this compensation plan, 25 years in the making, we took all the things we didn't like in the industry, the breakaways and the gotchas, and the 22 different ways that nobody understood how to get paid, and it really made this a transparent compensation plan where you have the ability to design and your paycheck. So you pick what level you want, what number you want, and if you do the work, you will get paid this. Based, you follow the formula that's in place. And of course, the last slide I want you to get is just really the highlights of the AGS compensation plan. And we'll end here after this slide. But number 1 is sponsor placement. In other words, if you personally recruit them, you can place them anywhere in your organization. Generational IBO, I won't go through all 20 because you can see the slide, but generational IBO means that you might enroll me, I might enroll Roscoe, and Roscoe might enroll Connie. But if I don't pay my auto-ship, Roscoe doesn't pay his auto-ship, if Connie has, you're still qualified because generational IBOs work. And trust me, if you're building, you know exactly why that's so relevant. Unlimited width. Think about it. Based on 5 wide, what your income looked like. You can enroll. We have people in our business that enrolled 75 people personally, and we literally just launched January last year with our AGS 2.0. But again, we have the ability to show you how to hit pin levels with just 2 legs wide. You go all the way to the top of the compensation plan. 3 levels wide, 3 people wide, allows you to go all the way to Presidential Diamond. We have compression, which means everything moves up. We have no hidden fees, no annual fees, and more importantly, we pay out 100%, just to recap, in retail commissions, up to 100% in unilevel payout, Infinity customer acquisition bonuses, up to $10,000 in lifestyle bonuses, and we have an incredible product mix, all attached to Get on the Map promo endorsed by Kevin Harrington. And of course, the next slide will show that you can get started here today based on our promo. Go to the next slide, please. Training support is in place. Next slide, please. And of course, next slide. I want to end on that one last slide. You're seeing leadership positions, campaigns that we do, and the last slide, which you're going to see right now, is again, I want to hang on this note of this endorsement. Why am I sharing this in this video? Because you have the ability, by helping 2 people get started and teaching that 4 generations down, to get on the map and participate in one of the biggest campaigns in the industry of a direct sales company with an endorsement like this. We are in a position right now where we're on the verge of hyper growth, exponential growth, and you don't want to miss the timing. You hear that a lot, right place, right time, but in fact we are, with this endorsement, with this compensation plan, and the incredible management team that's in place. We hope you enjoyed looking at the overview of the compensation plan. We're excited about working with you. We know there's typically 3 kinds of people looking at any information, and number 1 says, you know what? Great, are you kidding me? I could get started for as little as $49, $59, or $69 and still get product shipped and have a full online business. The answer to that is yes. Welcome aboard. Number 2 says, you know what? I got some questions. Get back to the person who invited you onto this video to watch this video, and let them get those questions answered for you and make a good informed decision. If you're number 3, simply means you just want to try the product. Again, get back to the person who invited you. Go to the website, try out the product, validate it, because if you use the product, which most people are, they start out as a customer, then become a representative to buy wholesale. The product speaks for itself. And once you have a testimony that's yours, you own it, you keep it, and just share the testimony. This is not about sales, this is about sharing. And so with that, again, my name is Kevin Gantos, President and CEO of Ascend Global Service. So glad you took the time out to watch this video on our incredible AGS compensation plan. Take care and God bless.